हो रहा है यार. Then book a nice hotel. Get your girlfriend
Airbnb.
get your girlfriend and boyfriend. Do all the stuffs you want to do.
I am going a solo trip. Like, oh my god, the mist is everywhere.
We can go like this, yaar. But we need to ask.
Hi. Good morning. Third day of Kodaikanal. This is the last day, so we are thinking of going today to Guna Cave and Pine Forest, and after that we'll be leaving immediately, like around 12 or something, because we want to go and reach Bangalore by 10, 9 or 10, so that tomorrow we have work. Tomorrow is Monday, so it will be like fine for us, so it will be proper for us. So yeah, what else? I've got ready. And about Kodaikanal, if I have to say, it's good, but for me, someone like me who can't take cold, I can't stay here. Night it will be chilling to the core. It will be like that cold. So yeah, but it's very nice place for me. For someone who can't take so much of cold, can come and visit this kind of places for 2-3 days and then go back to. And yeah, but I enjoyed yesterday's waterfall. Was really nice, and the lake also, it was too good. What else? But I'm liking the mountain and the greenery, but wish it was sunny like this. Not too much, but moderate. That's it. And this is how I've got ready today. I'm wearing shorts and this Barbie pink t-shirt, a sleeveless one, and this is bracelet which I'm wearing, the same one, and 2 rings. So as per today's knowledge of me staying in Kodai, first half from 1 like 7 to till 1, it will be hot. It will means like it will be sunny and then it goes to hot temperature. We'll be like, oh my god, it's so hot, and then we'll be like, oh, now hope so it rains and the weather should be little, coldish and all. And then from 2 or 1, 1:30 like that, it starts raining till 3, 4, 4, 4, 4ish, 5, and it will be like, oh my god, the mist is everywhere, because this is a kind of like this is a mountain, not kind of mountain, so everywhere it will be mist. Here only, like I can touch, it's like that, cloud, mist, everything. And then from 5 to 10 in the night or overnight, like full night, it will be chilling. It will be so cold. Summer vlog from today. It will be a nice, great day. I hope so. And that's it. Catch you later. Bye.
We got on for the breakfast. As usual, I had idli vada sambar, but I forgot to click the pictures, and then later my friends had different breakfast like sandwich and all, and that I clicked the pictures, and that you can see it here. And as we had planned to visit Guna Cave and Pine Forest, we were heading towards that. And on the way, we found out there's another waterfall called Ferry Waterfall. So we took a stop and thought of seeing how it is.
So we are going to Ferry Falls. They said water is very less, water flow is very less, but we can click pictures. We'll go see. If it is nice, we'll stay for some time. If not, we can go back soon because we need to cover Guna Cave and Pine Forest. And here is the waterfall. To walk and go. Oh my god, it's nice.
Then that.
I got so scared.
And now we are heading towards Guna Cave, and this is the traffic. This is the traffic to enter the Guna Cave. So we just thought of walking and going and past the gate, and then the driver can park the vehicle and he can be waiting by the time we come back.
So damn cold, and I'm wearing sleeveless. Look at the goosebumps. You're walking like 3 kilometers. Yes. This is the shortcut. We can go like this, yaar.
But we need to ask, but it's written pillar.
What pillar?
What is it written?
यही इकलौता रास्ता है वहाँ का.
We thought it is just 350 meters, and we got down from the car, and then we got to know once we came here inside it is 3 kilometers. And this is the traffic
right now.
and from the we are walking. Taken a shortcut route. Finally.
Yeah, I guess.
मेरे में भी नेटवर्क नहीं है. You know how much Maggie कितने का था?
$70.
And then she made no, she thought no, I will pay 50. Then she was like,
They-
don't pay only.
You should have asked before itself. They're looting the money.
So nice. It's so good.
By seeing Insta reels only decided.
Insta Reels is not the thing which you can buy. Not
Decide.
yeah,
Not
decide.
everything, but
For everything, for life also, whatever they are showing, it's not real. Someone is, oh my god, I'm so peaceful, and then they're like, oh my god, I want to die. So it's so you can't.
and this Guna cave, I seriously still didn't get to know what is the speciality of this, because there's nothing in it. Just
It's
a
not
way.
good, yaar. It's not like if somebody's coming to Korai, if they haven't been once, for the sake, okay, fine, you want to have a getaway, you can go. It's your
For the
choice.
weather.
For the weather. But I won't recommend. Rather than this, I would recommend go to Kannur, go to
Ooty, Mysore.
Mysore, yeah, Mysore is still. It's not. It's a city, yaar. It's a proper
City, but
city.
you have places to visit.
Exactly. But if you want peaceful or something, go to
Like weather,
camping
chilling.
and all. Go to Kurg, go to Kannur, go to. But
If like tourists, like people want to actually see places, something different, I don't think so. It's like okay, it's normal. I think people can go to Ooty rather than coming here. I'm not saying this is not recommend at all.
but
But then-
food issues are also there. If somebody wants to open a business, they can. Even I am thinking
Because you
that.
can loot money.
Yeah, even I will do it, but not this much.
Otherwise, you can go to Nandi Hills, because this is something like Nandi Hills itself.
चढ़ कहेंगे.
And this is too crowdy. It's just there is a viewpoint, I feel.
हाँ.
The crowd. I'm like, we all are regretting why did we even come here. There's no point in coming. We can't even click any pictures.
Be careful with the monkeys
Ah.
over there. Be careful with the camera here. Fall down. That umbrella has. I don't want a camera again. Sorry.
Umbrella.
Monkeys are also here to give us the honorary bravery award.
Don't do this.
यार हमको यही देख के अच्छा लग रहा है, हमें बड़ा डेंजर करते हैं।
First, it was like before going to Guna Caves, and now I'm telling, don't come, don't waste your money.
Just to find a place which is
Just
over flooded with the crowd.
go to some, rather than this, go to some nice place like Goa. Gokarna is also nice, right? Don't come to Korai, yaar. If you're coming, then book a nice hotel. Get your girlfriend
Airbnb.
get your girlfriend and boyfriend. Do all the stuff you want to do.
Yeah,
Eating food and enjoying.
yeah, correct. Oh my god, yeah, correct. No, sorry, no.
And then have a peaceful conversation, have tea, coffee while enjoying the breeze and everything, and then go. It's useless. But yes, we won't regret it because we have watched all the things and we don't want to come back. है ना, Ragini? At least we
Like one-time
covered-
visit.
हाँ,
We can
one-time
say
visit.
one-time visit. And also there's nothing much to visit also here.
That was nice. Which was Manohar Lake or something?
Only lake was good, and even Kokal waterfall has been closed, and Guna cave is over flooded.
It's no use here, guys. Don't waste your money. If you want something very great and if you want to come, you can come, but don't have very high expectations.
High hopes. Don't keep any high hopes.
And just come for like, okay, fine, I need to get a nice breeze and take rest. Then it's fine.
Weather. That's
Botany experience, yeah. Botany and horticulture is really nice, yeah. But other than that, it's useless.
Because the whole, wherever you canvas here, there are beautiful trees everywhere. You can see the beautiful trees and enjoy the weather. That's all.
Ask Jiva and Aditi if they have any.
They are busy talking to themselves. It's not my type.
But next,
Say it now.
lock it, yeah, lock it.
This crowd coming here, it's just a
And
chaos.
there is no signal also. If I try calling the cab as well, there is no signal.
But stay with Ragini.
Blur my numbers, okay?
Stay with Ragini vlogs because next month she's going to Paris, and then I think London you're going, right? And yeah, she will give you full
Actually,
vlogs and
I
everything.
and Riva are going to Bali with Harman ji and Ajay ji.
Okay, cut this, our parents don't know.
I am going a solo trip.
Yeah, she's going for Paris solo. So you can stay with her.
Please tag along with me.
Yeah,
That's it.
I think Ragini, you're better off solo. Not traveling way, yeah. She's very particular of the time.
Because these people are very slow, too slow. Yeah, if I start complaining, then the day will end. It's
And
like
the
that.
vlog will be for 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah, she just she knows it.
Yeah. So I think next time when you're going to London and Paris next month, it's better that she visits alone. It's a solo trip. Just tag along with her during her vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye guys.
It's already 2:30 and it is raining. Good idea. Every day in the afternoon it's raining, right?
We had chicken biryani for lunch and then we left.
We found one beautiful house on the way while walking and going. So the gate was open. We thought like, okay, we'll just see people, and then we thought of clicking pictures. My friends are already taking, and this house is like literally nice.
And we are off to Bangalore now, heading back home. I was too tired but still couldn't resist filming a bit on the way back. My friends were singing at the top of their lungs, laughing, having the gala time. And somewhere in between all of that noise, I actually managed to sneak a quick nap. The ride back was just wow. Those views, that fresh air, such beautiful sceneries was just awesome.
But we can't play and all, we can just stand there and see. That's it.
कोड़ाई में डोसा है, डोसा है, डोसा है, इडली चटनी है, चटनी है, चटनी है, और क्या है, रागिनी।
Yes, it's not like it doesn't justify. Yeah.
हाँ, कैमरा ना। Ragini, you want?
No.
What? Ragini, you remember any song? Dilli, dilli, chori, chori, diya re, ding, ding, ding. किसके है? जादू, जादू, क्या है?
We were starving like hell, so we stopped at the restaurant found on the way. From the outside and inside, it looked like the food would be amazing, but no, it was just okay, not filling. It wasn't tasty at all. Honestly, throughout the whole trip, the food wasn't anything special, but yeah, that's fine, it happens. Anyways, we reached back by 2. My phone was out of charge, so couldn't film anything more, and that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And thanks for watching. Bye bye until next time.